welcome back to another video with me, Bench Workout, and today we are going to be doing some more wood turning. I have got this brass mallet end. I've had this made for me, so the idea is now all I need to do is turn a handle. So this should be quite a fun project. The only thing is I've had a little bit of difficulty trying to decide on how to do the handle, because I wanted something a little bit different, something that'll stand out, that's not just one piece of wood turned. So I've come up with trying to do lots of different bits of wood, so I'm going to get that glued up now, and then hopefully it'll be dry enough later that we can get it on the lathe and start turning it. So yeah, please stick around and watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and enjoy!
Two hours later.
that's the handle done, and the mallet's now glued in. I've epoxied this bit into this bit. So that's it now complete. It looks fair funky. It wasn't quite centered, but I don't think that matters. I think it, you know, adds a little bit different view to it, like how it looks. Just so it doesn't look exactly the same on each side. I mean, some people would prefer it looked exactly the same on each side, but I quite like that it's different. But yeah, that's it done. And this is going to be perfect for me at work to just do like my little logos with a V-tool, because we logo all our furniture, so that will be absolutely brilliant for that. It's like the perfect weight. So yeah, this will be going into my toolbox over there, and it will be on show. So thanks for watching the video. If you did like it, please hit the thumbs up, comment and subscribe to me, and I'll see you next time.